T-H-O-N-Y, last name Liu, L-I-U. Graduated December 2016. I think it took me about 3 months to land a job. I've been at Ally Financial ever since. Started as a contractor, and then 6 months later, got hired on as a full-time employee. I think the hardest thing for me at that time was just keeping myself busy and positive. I think it's easy to see other classmates land positions and you feeling like, oh, what did I do wrong, or what can I do better? Just having a little bit of self-doubt. But I think one of the biggest things was just keep learning, because the boot camp is just a launching pad for how much you have to continue to learn. I think the biggest thing is you get out what you put in, and so that goes for the boot camp. And after boot camp is that if you want to excel, you have to put in the time and the effort to learn, because no one's gonna just hand it to you on a silver platter. I love what I'm doing right now. I think every day I get to problem solve. I get to just learn more each day. It doesn't get stale. There's always a new problem that comes up that I want to figure out how to solve.